Welcome to Pros and Cons App and Tech Edition. I appreciate you guys for coming on. If you're new, once you go, please go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell, keep alerted of all my videos. Bring you guys everything that has to do with pros and cons and products and applications. Today, we got something good for you. We want you guys to participate and give us your opinion on pros and cons. Whatever we're talking about, we want you guys to go below to the comment and let us know, are you for the pros or are you for the cons? Today, I'll be for the pros and he'll be for the cons. What are we talking about today? We'd rather have APKs or Plex, which is better? Now I'm gonna tell you guys why I like APKs and why he doesn't maybe like APKs as much, or what's the cons there. And the pros are it's free, okay? What's so great about them? You have in movies, okay? You have in theaters, TV shows currently available on Netflix. You get them here for free. On Netflix, you just get paid $10. On these applications, APKs, now you don't have to go and pay for them. You don't have to do none of that. You're streaming them. You can't beat that. I don't see any cons in definitely using an APK. I mean, they're just amazing. They work great and they're always constantly being updated. So, well, it depends obviously what application you're using. To me, Cat and Mouse, Theater HD, those are great APKs. You had Showbox before, but Showbox now is a clone, so I wouldn't really trust too much Showbox. That's basically, and this is gonna be a quick video today, guys, because it's our first introduction back to pros and cons, but let's get his opinion, why he thinks, what are the cons? Well, let me explain to you guys why the cons of that, of using APKs. First of all, you have to use a VPN.
Yeah,
I would suggest use a VPN. That's number one. So now you're spending money on using a VPN, especially if you're not in the States, okay? That's number one. Number two, I'd rather use a Plex than use that. And I'll explain to you why I'd rather use Plex, because Plex is safer. You don't need a VPN. It's one click. Now, to me, the big deal is one click, okay? Now, what do we say? What do we mean by one click? When you use an APK like Cat and Mouse or Theater Plus or Cinema HD or any of those, or Showbox, those are cloned. First of all, Showbox is a prime example. Why? Once APKs go down, they go ahead and they reclone them, they get your information, etc. So you need a VPN. So you're spending money on a VPN. Is it really worth it, okay? For that, you get yourself a Plex. It's one click, watch the movie. They're not updated constantly, right? You don't have the movies just like that either. Yes, you have movies in theaters, but you have a lot of cam versions. And then the biggest thing that I dislike is this. When you click, you have a bunch of different links. You don't have a one-click process. Now, what I mean one-click process is when you watch a movie, you just click it, bam, it plays. That, to me, is everything. And for that reason, I'd rather use Plex and not waste my time on free APKs, because at the end of the day, like Showbox, they end up eventually going down. That, to me, is one of the biggest things. That's why I'd rather use Plex. I think the cons of using APKs are too many. You know, one, again, you have to use a VPN. Two, are they really constantly being updated? Three, you have to watch out for where you're streaming, where you're going, where your traffic's going, where your IP is being recorded. You have too many links to choose from. Why not just one click? So at the end of the day, those are the cons. Let me know what you guys think below. Please let them know. Go below and subscribe, number one. And number two, comment. Let me know if you agree with the cons of the APKs or his pros. All right, you know how we do here, guys. Catch the wave.